Well, as you can see this time, that was the second biplane we just now seen. As you can see here, that was a Robin DR.400 that was. This time we just now seen a Robin DR.400 this time apparently. Which, as you can see, the registration is G-CDBM, that is. We just now seen a second biplane as we just saw it from a distance as it was doing a low approach. Just over at the other side of Penryn. But just you can see, well actually from here it was literally flew in here about 12,050 feet from here. It's literally just flew about 12,050 feet from here. Which actually, as you can see now, he's now at 1,450 feet now apparently. As you can see, he's now going past over towards St Maurs, I think, probably now passing over to St Maurs. As you can see here though, that just took off from its base at Penryn Airfield. Has literally took off at just at 1:40 PM. So it's literally just took off at Penryn Airfield at 1:40 PM from there. As you can see, now he's going over to pass Walls near St Maurs, I suppose. Whether he might be coming for another pass, I don't know, to be honest. Unless we might have to catch up with that one, I don't know, to be honest. But now it's going out the other side of south anyway, which hopefully we might be able to see for the flight back, but I don't know, to be honest. But as you can see, he's been on west coast to start with, and now he's just come out as it aimed here for south coast, where I am now actually. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.